Let's take a look at the newest edition of District Wins. Welcome to this special edition of District Wins, rebuilding from Hurricane Ian. First up, we'd like to say thank you so very much to Florida Governor Ron DeSantis for recently visiting South Fort Myers High School and for supporting our students who are dealing with damages from the hurricane. Our families were so happy to meet you. Thank you to the Pinellas County School District for their wonderful donation of food and water to the school district of Lee County. Then we handed out those donations to our families in need at James Stephens Elementary School. On this day, we distributed food and water at the Lee County Public Education Center. Here's a special thank you to the Miami-Dade Public School District for providing the supplies and helping our families in need. In a display of the true strength of our community, here's the staff of Page Elementary School hosting the staff of Fort Myers Beach Elementary School for a reunification. It's moments like these that make us realize we are stronger together. We owe a big thank you to the Broward County Public School District, along with the Glades County School District, for sending teams of staff to help our schools through the cleanup and recovery from Hurricane Ian. We couldn't have done this without you. Here's a major shout out to the incredible staff at Ray V. Pottorff Elementary School, who provided nonstop comfort, kindness, and hope during our community's time of need. Elsewhere, we'd like to send a major thank you to the Supreme Master Ching Hai for donating over 300 meals to our South Fort Myers High School shelter. Your generous donation of serving and feeding the rescued and the first responders will never be forgotten. To all the wonderful people with Community Cooperative, Molina Healthcare, and the Interact Club, thank you so very much for helping us open a drive-through mobile food pantry for our families and neighbors at North Fort Myers High School. And take a look at this. Even with a Category 4 hurricane, our Red Knight still stands tall. Check out our astounding staff from Lexington Middle School that enjoyed a meal for the first time since Hurricane Ian. It was a terrific day for everyone, and we'd like to thank the Barnes family for sharing their home and barbecue with all of us. This was an opportunity for us to give back as Varsity Lakes Middle School delivered water to New Life Church. They have been great partners to us over the years, and we're so grateful for the donated water. Over at Cypress Lake High School, we are so very thankful to the staff and students who showed up on this day to help clean the campus. We really love our Panthers. Finally, you know what they're saying at Diplomat Elementary School. Impossible is always possible. This is why the dedicated staff came together to help clean our campus getting ready to reopen. If you'd like to see your school featured in District Wins, send us your photos and information to news@leeschools.net.